Hello everyone. I am going to solve with you ICT past paper, March 2023. Okay, variant 21. So let's start with the word section. First of all, we have to prepare the evidence file. Open the evidence file. I already created folder. I named it working area. Inside it, I set my source files. So let's search. Where is our evidence file? Yeah. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page on this document. Okay, so let's add the name, center number, candidate number. I will add them in the footer. So go to the insert tab, go to the footer. Sorry, I'm going to add them in the header. It's fine to add them in the header and or the footer, as I didn't mention where to be added. Select the 3 columns. I will add my name, center number, candidate number in the header. I don't want the center header, neither the right side. So close it. Okay. Save the evidence document in your working area using the name M23 evidence followed by your candidate number. So if your candidate number is 9999, add them to the M23 evidence. For me, as I don't have candidate number, so I will use the same name that they gave. File. Of course, you have to set your candidate number. I will save them in the working area here. And don't forget to set the type as document, okay? As Word, the extension of Word, which is DOCX. Okay, save it. Okay, that's it. We're finished from the evidence. Go back to the question. You will need to place screenshots over this evidence file. So let's start with task 2, which is document. Word file. Using suitable software means Word. Open the file M23 stem. So stem, yeah, here we go. Enable editing. Let me make it like that so I can see the questions to the right side. Sorry. Make the font size less. That's fine. So let's continue. We open the file. The page setup is set to A4. The orientation is landscape. The margin is 2 centimeters. Do not change anything. So I'm not going to change anything in these settings. Save the document in your working area. Set the name, set stem menus. So file, save as, browse your working area. This is my working area here, yeah, inside the folder for working area. Don't forget again to change the type to be Word document, and the name is stem menus. Save it. Okay. Make sure it's saved in the same format, yeah, means the Word. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the file name has been saved. Make screenshot. Make sure there is evidence of file type. Sorry. So yeah, go to the working area. They want to check that you name it in the type of Word document. So I see already I showed the extension, so it's clear that it is Word file, but I will take screenshot for this particular area so they can check that I have Word file and the type is, or I will make this part wider so they can see that it is Microsoft Word document. Again, I will take snipping tool, screenshot. So yes, they can check that it is Word file. Set it in the evidence step number 1. Nice. Let's continue. Okay, so we finish from this particular part. Go to the step number 2. So let's go to the step number 2. Place in the footer of the STEM news document automated page numbers left aligned. Okay. Your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned. So it should be in the footer, not in the header. So yeah, go to the footer. It is from insert tab. Go to the footer, choose the 3 columns, page number to the left side. So here to add the page number, current position, you can choose any style. I prefer the first one. Center number, candidate number to the right. So nothing in the center. Go to the right. Here you have to set your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned. So close, and that's it. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. Yeah, they don't exceed the margins, and no other text is included in the footer area. The footer is displayed on the all pages, and that's true. You can see, yeah, footer is in all the pages. So let's go to the creating the styles. So let me make it smaller. Create and store the following styles. For me to create the styles, I prefer to go to the end of the document. Why? Because I don't want the styles to be applied over any particular paragraph. So I will go to the home tab, to the styles group, open the styles. I am going to create the first style. Yeah, they asked me to create the following styles. So let's start with the first style. The first style is ST subhead for, so this is style for subheadings. Control C, paste it here. Make sure that it is based on nothing, means normal or no style. You can choose normal or no style. It is sans serif, so sans serif it's Arial. For me, I prefer Arial or Calibri for the sans serif style. Okay, for serif, I used to use Times New Roman. So Times New Roman for serif and Arial or Calibri for the sans serif. As they asked me sans serif, so I will leave the Arial, and the font size is 14. It is center aligned, all capitals and bold. So bold here, all capitals. How to get the all capitals is from the format here. Go to the font. You can select all caps, means all capital. Okay, all caps means all capital. Yeah, you can see capital letter. You can see this sample is capital letter. Now let's go to the line spacing single. So line spacing, it's from the format here. Go to the paragraph. Line spacing, they want it to be single. Okay, 0 space before, 9 space after. I am still in the first style. Okay, just double check sans serif Arial 14. It is center aligned. Bold, all capital. Okay, 0 and 9. You can see all the styles here. They will give you a preview for the styles that you applied. Okay, I think they want to take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for, yeah, make sure that there's, yeah, so you need like to take evidence screenshot for this particular style. Save it in the step number 3. Okay, here and go to the evidence, step number 3. Paste it. Go to the new style. I want to create the second style, which is ST table. So the new style, now it's ST table. Control C, Control V, based on normal, and the font is serif. Serif means I will use Times New Roman. The font size 11. It is left aligned. It's by default left. Italic. This is the italic. The spacing single, line spacing single. So it is from the format paragraph. It is single. 0 space before, 0 space after, as they ask. Okay, so again, have a look. The table serif means Times New Roman. It is 11. It is left aligned by default, italic, single, 0, 0, single, line spacing, 0, space before, 0 after the last style, which is a bullet. Okay, so let's go to here and new. I will name it st bullet. Okay, then it's based on normal. It is serif, so Times New Roman. The text 11 point. It is left aligned. Yeah, they want here bullet text. It should be squared shaped, aligned to the left margin. So how to adjust the bullets is from here, go to the numbering. So I will use the bullets here. It should be square. And not only that, I want also to go to make it like aligned to the left margin. So you have to go to the paragraph from here, make the indentation 0 without any space, because we want the bullets to go directly to the left margin, so no space. Plus I have to adjust like the spacing. It should be single from here, 0 space before, 0 space after. I think that's it. You can see now the bullet is squared and aligned to the left margin, exactly to the left margin without any space. So I deleted the indentation, and that's it. And yeah, that's it. Of course, I'm not going to apply now bullets. Yeah, we finished creating the styles. Go to here. Display the styles names created in the step 3 as a list in the style manager. Yeah, we need to take screenshot. Yeah, for this particular area, take screenshot. They want to check that you created the whole styles. So set it in the evidence document here. So bullet subhead and table, right? Bullet subhead and table. Yeah, that's it. So we finish the step. We close the styles now. The style st title has already been created and stored, modified. So there will be some changes. So go to the styles again, go to the title, modify. Okay, the font style sans serif, and it is Times New Roman. It is serif, right? So I will make it Arial or calibrate spine. The font size is 36 here. And it should be center, bold, remove the italic, and it is underlined. Okay, bold and underlined, yes. And the spacing is 0 before, 0 after, and it is single. Yeah, 0 before, 0 after, the space single. Okay, just double check. Sans serif variant, font size 36, it is center, it is bold and underlined. Yeah, that's it. I think apply the styles to the text. No, please place in your evidence screenshot of the style settings. Yeah, I have to take screenshot for this particular settings. Okay, set it in the step number 5. Just here, close this one. Go to step number 5. Control B. Yeah, that's it. Apply this style to the title Tawaras course. So go to Tawaras course, apply the title. Yeah, here. Yes. Already we set the evidence. Go to step number 6. Below the title, add the subtitle. It is subtitle, so we have to apply subtitle over it here. And we need like to apply the ST subtitle over it. Subtitle. the subtitle. This is the subtitle. So we apply it over this one. And the subtitle, we didn't create the subtitle, they already created it, right? Yeah, so it was there. Apply this style to the text you entered in step number 6. Yeah, innovation in science education, fine. The subtitle, yeah, fine. Go to step number 8. Apply the ST bullets style to the text from working in teams. Yeah, till development. So here we have to go to here and apply the bullets. Bullet, yeah, you can see like it's aligned to the left side. Now identify 7 subheadings and apply the ST subhead. This is the first one. Um, subhead, sorry, open the whole subhead, and I have another subhead. This one, number 2. Hold Control key. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subheading, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we finished from the subheadings. Now change the page layout so the subheading Y is a stem, and all the following text. So till the end, right? Change the page layout so the subheadings Y is a stem, approach by the stem. Yeah, this one from here. And all the following text is displayed in 2 columns. All the following text. So till the end. 2 columns with 1 centimeter space between them. So highlight everything till here. Okay, now go to the layout, go to the columns, go to more columns, select 2, should be 1 centimeters. Make sure that the unit is centimeters, and that's it. We finish. Locate the table. Yes, fine. Yes. So go to 11. Locate the table and insert a new row above the chemistry. So here the chemistry. I told you once you set the mouse over the table, 2 tabs will appear: design and layout. They will help you a lot in creating and adjusting the table. They want a new row. Enter the following data into the row. It should be a new row above the chemistry. So set the mouse here in the chemistry. Here, insert row above. If you want below, here. If you want column to the left, column to the right. Anyhow, I set the mouse here in the chemistry. I want to insert a row above this particular row, and it should be biology. And here 50, and here 40. Mirror the cells and center align to the text in the first one. So here I want to mirror these 3 cells. I am still in the layout, merge, make them in the center, go to the home tab, center. Yeah, merge the cells and center align. Yeah. Apply ST table to the rows from 2 till 9. So not the whole table, from 2 till 9 rows. Apply the table. Okay. ST table, yes. Make sure that no data is wrapped. So I need like to make sure that no data is wrapped. Yeah, I don't know why the whole table should be table. Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, now again, go to the table, make sure that no data is wrapped. It's fine, I think. Also, the width is fine. All borders and data fit within the columns widths. Yes. Um, there is a 6 point space after the table. I will adjust it. So nothing more. Ah, because I copied it and it was bold. That's it. That's why it was bold. So yeah, make sure that all the text you have to apply all the table style to the whole text in the table except the first row. Yeah. Make sure that no data is wrapped or the grid lines are displayed when printed. I think all the borders here. Make sure that all borders here. So, yes, all borders. They didn't give boots to the borders. All borders um, fit. And 6 point, yeah. 6 point after the table means go to the line after the table, go to the paragraph, make sure there is 6 point before it. 6 point before the text means 6 points after the table. We finish from the table, import the image, science, place it in the paragraph beginning. Will the gender, will the gender, will the gender. You have to search where this text. Control C. I will go here. Control F. Set paste the text. Yeah, this is the will gender. So set the mouse here. Close this one. Here I have to insert the image picture from your working area. This is the image. Reflect the image so that the laboratory flask is on the right. So it is now in the on the left side. I have to make it to the right. So from here, you can flip horizontally. Now the flask is on the left, on the right. Sorry, I'm sorry, to the right. Yeah, format the image so that it's resized 2 centimeters in the height. So right click over the image, go to the size, make sure that the height is 2 centimeters and make sure the aspect ratio is maintained. By default, the aspect ratio is maintained. No, you don't need like to change it. So yeah, make the wrap to the square. So you can make the text wrap around the image. It is aligned to the left and top. So it is in the left. Just like make sure that you can see the guidelines, the green guidelines, the horizontal one and the vertical one. So now it's perfect. Text wraps around the image, so it's perfect. Check the spellings. The table and list are not split over two columns. No widow, no orphans, no blank pages. Yeah, just have a then brain. Just like let's have a look. Here I will ignore. I don't know. Ignore. The Tawara workforce. Tawara. I think they means Tawara. Tawara workforce means people who can. I think they means the school Tawara. Um. No mistakes. No orphan. Everything is fine. I think now it's perfect. Yeah, now we can, if you are happy with your document file, just save it and that's it. Thank you for listening.